Today we are going to see this yummiest delicious Vada Pav recipe. Vada Pav is a savory and spicy soft dinner rolls referred as pav, stuffed with a fried batter coated potato dumpling fritter called Batata Vada. Let's get started. For the potato stuffing, I have taken 1 onion and some curry leaves, crushing 6 to 7 green chilies and coriander, ginger garlic paste, and some cumin seeds. To make the potato stuffing, I'm adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan, and we're going to heat it up, adding some mustard seeds. Let it splutter. Time to add some curry leaves and chopped onion. Now adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, crushed green chilies, and 1.5 tablespoon of salt. Also adding couple pinches of asafoetida, which is hing, and stir and saute for 5 to 10 seconds. Here I have 3 boiled, peeled and mashed potatoes. Let it cool and then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Fresh lemon is preferred. To enhance some flavor, I'm also adding chopped coriander. Now it's time to pour this tempering mixture, which was cool off now, with the oil to the mashed potatoes. Mix everything well and do a taste test, just in case some salt is needed or some spiciness is needed. You can add more cut green chilies into it, or just mix it well and make the balls. Small to medium size balls, just 1.5 tablespoons, just to eyeball the quantity of the balls. Moving on to the next step, which is making batter. I've taken 1.5 cups of gram flour. To make the fritter coating extra crispy, I add 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Adding some salt into it, it's 1/4 teaspoon. To make it more healthier and enhance flavor of the batter, I'm adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of carom seeds, which is ajwain. Just crush it on your palms and then mix it. To make the fried coating crispier, I'm adding 1 small teaspoon of baking powder. You can also add baking soda. A pinch of baking soda is also good. To get nice golden color, I'm adding pinch of turmeric, red chili powder, and let's mix this all together. Adding 1/2 cup of water, mix it well, dissolve all the lumps, and then add some more water so that we have medium thick flowing consistency. You can call it a pro tip or a secret, but I have 1 ladle of hot oil poured into the batter just to make our coating extra crispier. And it's time to fry our potato balls or fritters. So mixing it really well. I'm checking the oil temperature. If it's spluttering, then you're good to go. Dip the ball in the batter and coat it evenly with the batter, and gently pour it in the hot oil. When one side warms up, becomes slightly crispy and golden, then only turn over gently with a slotted spoon. Fry the other side, and when the deep fry looks golden brown, turn couple of times, and here are the vadas ready. Gently remove it on a paper towel plate just to get the excess oil, and then I'm just adding some more batter, frying just to get extra crispy and crunchy gram flour fritters on the side. And to make Vada Pav special red chutney, it's a dry chutney. I have added salt, red chili powder, and 1 garlic clove. I'm also adding all these gram flour fried. Grind it in a mixie jar on a coarse mode. And here is my assembly of the vada pav. I have added tamarind chutney and the red chutney that I made. Here is my other version. It's green coriander chutney and the dry chutney. Also adding some fried fritters, and then gently press it, and then it's ready. Enjoy this Mumbai street style Vada Pav recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon and watch more such recipes. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.